Okay, we're on to the hexagon. We're going to make that pattern next. That pattern is technically called a linear pattern. You might see it called a rectangular pattern. In order to pattern this one well, I'm going to need to select the 6 sides of the hexagon, and then I'm going to choose linear pattern. You'll notice that right now it has 3 boxes that direction. Oh, that's sorry, I need to undo that real quick. Let's try that again. So I had actually accidentally left that tapped and turned on, so that's been highlighted. That's why it did what it did. So here we go. I got my hexagon now selected. I'm going to do a linear pattern of that. And you'll see that this square over here to my left is telling me it's measuring it from there. And they don't really give us any good measurements. I know that we should do about 0.7 when we do this. This number up here is telling me how many rows I have, which I'm supposed to have 2 rows. And this tells me how many columns I have, which I'm supposed to have 3 columns. And then this is the vertical distance between the rows, which I'm going to also make to be 0.7. All right, so all is good there, except this is supposed to be going the other direction. So instead of going out to the right, it's supposed to go down and to the left. So in order to do that, I'm going to drag this box right here down this direction. Actually, I should have dragged the arrow. Well, that's a problem. Should have gone this way. So that's going to be a little bit off of horizontal. We'll fix that in just a second. And then I want to drag this arrow over to here. All right, so we'll do that for right now. And that messed with some of these things, so I'm going to redo that 0.7. I'm going to redo that one 0.7. Check, and that's pretty good. There are some issues there that we'll have to fix in just a second. So I'm just going to tap. Okay, you notice that I have some of those are blue. If I tap on or tap off the tool and I tap on those, you'll see that they're kind of swinging on that hinge right there. I want that hinge to be completely vertical, and so I'm going to tap off there. I'm going to tap on here. I'm going to make sure that is vertical, so it's constrained in that way. And now everything is locked in. All right. If we feel like 0.7 is too much, we can always change that. So maybe like 0.5. That's a little bit too close. So I think 0.7 was reasonable. And then if you notice on the activity, this one is not there. So I'm going to select the sides, and then I'm going to 2-finger tap, and I'm going to tap delete, and then that one will be gone. And there's how to do the linear/rectangular pattern.